What's up, Africa? What's up, Nigeria? What's up, Lagos City? Yeah, I'm Episola Juwon, also known as Olamode. Yeah, Olamode Nigeria, representing Nigeria's entertainment industry. And guess what? We're live here at BSK Lounge for our Omi, world famous DJ Jotunes Vibes Night. Stay tuned, and we're at Olamode Nigeria TV. We're ready to give you vibes on vibes. I'll be right back. DJ Brain, the CEO of the Brain behind Badun Worldwide. Ogami, how are you doing now?
Fine, I'm fine. I'm doing good.
All right. So tonight we are celebrating your brother, your friend. I can also say your career son, DJ Jotunes. What can you say about Jotunes?
He's a very sure boy.
Very sure
boy. I can't say more than that.
Wow. So if you had to describe him in one word, what could that be?
If I'm going to describe him in one word,
yes, boss.
He's a very cool guy, a very calm-headed guy, and a very supporting nigga. He has always been supporting me from.
So tonight, what are you expecting from this next show?
I'm expecting a lot.
A lot.
Yeah.
Vibes on vibes.
Yes, always 100.
ọmọ ìyá mi ọjọ́ àwọn díje ẹ̀gbọ́n àbúrò kéjù ọmọláwo ló ṣe fún ẹ lẹ́yìn tí kí ẹ àgbẹ̀sọ̀
Right now I'm happy to be with one of the most iconic music mogul in the Nigerian entertainment industry. I'm talking about world famous HSP, popularly known as Ad1. You know, how you doing now?
Bami, I do. Have fun. How you go?
I can see that a lot of entertainers coming out big for DJ Jotunes. So what can you say about Jotunes?
Jotunes is a wonderful DJ. He's a guy that have this passion, so that's why I love him so much. Yeah, so he's an icon.
So bro, what's up? How you doing tonight?
Yeah, I'm doing very good. And I'm here tonight to support my friend, my G, my guy, my colleague, DJ Jotunes. Big shout out to you. More grace and more good life to him.
All right, so if you have to describe Jotunes in one word, what could that be?
Adorable.
Adorable.
Yeah.
Adorable.
Yeah.
So tonight is having a concert vibes machine. So what are your expectations tonight? What are you expecting tonight?
We are here to enjoy. You can see the Toketile. I even forgot to put my glasses, you know. So make it just day like this. So we are here to enjoy, you know.
Vibes on vibes.
Yeah, vibes on vibes and memories. Yeah, 100.
Thanks so much, man. Thanks so much.
Super extravagance, me like Shakemedo. Baby, you catch my feelings, I'm getting bigger. You just shake my head like that.
Bro, how you doing?
Yeah, I'm good, fam. I'm fine.
For people seeing you for the first time on Olamode Nigeria TV, I want you to just do a very brief introduction of yourself.
Yeah, Olamode Nigeria TV, they call me the baddest, they call me the mouthpiece of Lagos. I go by the name Superstar Hype Man, fellow me boss. Here we are at Jotunes. Tonight is going to be shut down. You know what's up?
Nah, yeah. Okay, quick one now. If you had to describe Jotunes in one word, what could that be?
It's amazing.
Amazing?
Yes, amazing.
So what are your best wishes for him?
My best wish is for him to go more higher. It's for him to just go higher. That's it. I pray for him to go higher. I want to see him at the top. That's it.
Hello, gorgeous.
I'm good. I go by the name Celebrity Hype Queen Timas. That's what's up.
So quick one, what can you say about Jotunes?
Jotunes is an amazing person. He's a friend with a whole lot of ability, capability. Like now OG normally. OG, a very good friend. You know, a friend that can that always supports in one way or the other. He's ever ready. That's the little thing I know about him.
So what are your best wishes for him?
Well, I wish him all the best. He's a person that, you know, he do shows back to back. And I just pray that God will keep on giving him the strength and the potential and also more ideas.
Amen.
And more achievements ahead.
Amen. Thanks so much, man.
You're welcome.
Farouk, Shanosi Loud, Imombo.
Oblé, oblé,
Azanga,
oblé,
Easy,
oblé,
Easy. Yeah,
Karima olórí gbogbo, ó fẹ́ fẹ́ lọ sí kásá ní kókó, ó fẹ́ fọwọ́ bá mi ní ìdòdó, olùsojúlé sojúlé.
ìyá tí bàbá ọmọ ló kọ́ mọ̀ yọ ọ̀gá òkú ìpè kó dà ìbá funfun lóró ìbá funfun lóró ẹni bá mọ̀ rẹ̀ ó ká lọ. àwọn ìyẹn náà kọ́ ti kúrò MSD.
All right, good people, we see right here for DJ Jotuns Vibes Night, and here with me is another iconic entertainer in the Nigeria entertainment industry. Bro, what's up? How you doing?
I'm doing good, Olamond.
I know you, but the people seeing you on the screen, they need to know more of you. Kindly do a brief introduction of yourself, sir.
Okay, I go by the name $1 Million DJ Millie Oshamo.
Quick one, what can you say about Jotuns?
You should know anything about Jotuns. It's 100% vibe, like fucking vibe. It's going to be a massive showdown, shutdown today. Just expect the unexpected, and it's going to be a banger.
A banger.
Where we call it banger. This is another edition. You can see me. I'm rocking the normal.
Give that 360, bro. Give that 360. Let them feel you. Okay. So quick one. If you had to describe Jotuns in one word, what could that be?
I won't say much. It's just the best.
The best.
The best.
The best. Thanks so much, man. Thanks so much.
Hi, how are you doing?
What's in your place?
My name is Mo Enikeji.
Wow. I love your outfit.
Thank you.
Can you just please give me a 260? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. All right. So, what can you say about Jotuns?
Okay, Jotuns is actually a good friend of mine. We've known each other for a very long time, and he's a very kind person, like jovial with everybody, free with everybody.
So, if you had to describe Jotuns in one word, what could that be?
He's kind. Kind.
So tonight, what are you expecting? What are your expectations tonight?
Well, as we all know, he's called the Vibes Machine, so just be expecting 1000% vibes tonight, because it's gonna be late.
It's gonna be late.
Flat like knife, blurring the highest, lift his name up to the most high. Hey! Many people fire catapult. Should be one and show me you. It's only by the grace of God. Take the bad man them for don't show me you. God that I know does not slumber, no sleep, and is always there for me. Hey! But it's what you miss, okay, one in you. Love me, I thought on you. Hey! It's a new brand new day. Every new day, yeah.
What's up? How you doing?
I'm fine.
Your name, please?
DJ Slim B.
DJ Slim B.
Yes.
That name sounds very, very, very strong. So, quick one. What can you say about Jotuns?
He's my boss. He's my friend. He's my G. He's my everything, and I love him so much.
You love him so much. Well, I don't really need much of time to do much talking about this great man here. This is DJ RTB Banga. Yeah. 7% of the craziest gems we are hearing on the island of the mainland, produced by this awesome man here tonight. Banga, your Jotuns. Quick one. What can you say about your friend?
My friend is a good guy from day one. He's so supportive, so I'm here to support him too. Yeah.
So, what are your best wishes for Jotuns?
I wish him all the best in life. He should go far than this. People should know him worldwide.
Amen. Amen.
Ladies and gentlemen, thank you. Wow, go back, what we do? Say right, on the picture, whatever, on the picture, whatever, on the picture, whatever,
Shooting on them back in the Rambo. Why now? Chris and Love, I don't they feel like Kilimanjaro. No be time, we coming from a city. You do a leg of after we dancing forever. Why? I can't go back. You know man. You do a leg of
Yes. So whatsoever that has a beginning, surely it must have an end. We've come to the end of the red carpet moment with my humble self, Olamode Naija. Till next time, highly me your host with the most, Prince Olajuwon, also known as Olamode. Yeah, Olamode Naija. Bye for now.
She said she like Dojoro. She said she don't want no man, no. But me, so I dey give her she say I go take, oh yeah, don't yank, I go take, I go take, I go take, don't yank, la rote, till I go take, oh yeah, I go take, she done dey pay, oh yeah, la rote.